Um, you can look at it as, okay, no way, I don't want to do it at all because I'm not getting any kind of compensation. Again, they would be paying for your exposure to your audience and beyond. They'd be paying for your clinical knowledge and exposure, right? And then your creatistic approach, or whatever type of approach that you are bringing to the table, to put that up there. That's a lot of different parameters and it doesn't take, it's not easy. It is not easy as well too, right? Like, I'm sure it takes time. So like, I'm sure you both can attest to this. Like, it takes time to do this work. So those are a lot of components to not be paid for. So you have to think about, is this important enough for me to go ahead with it? Mm-hmm. And then if they do say, yes, we have a budget, we want you to make some deliverables, let's do this together. Don't think that you have to take that first offer as well too. Discuss with them what you feel your amount is that you would like to receive for that, and then negotiate from there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, very wise advice. Thank you for that. Yeah. So Fiona, we've seen you do so many things. We've seen you do mission trips. We've seen you modeling different scrub brands. Yes. We've seen you teaching product lab, working clinically. We're really excited to see your summit together with Tempstars continue to grow.